Want to create a weverse account but don't know how? No worries. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a weverse account easily. So let's start the video. Let's go. First, open the weverse app on your phone. Tap on Join Login to begin creating your account. Type in your email address, then tap Continue with this email. Create a strong password, confirm it by entering it again, then tap Next. Choose a nickname and enter it. Agree to the terms of use by checking the box, then tap Next. A verification email will be sent to your email address. Open your inbox, find the email, and tap Verify Email. You will see a message saying Successfully joined weverse. Reopen the weverse app and again tap Join Login. Enter the same email you used for signing up, then tap Continue with this email. Enter your password and tap Login. A pop-up will ask for app permissions. Simply tap OK. Tap Alert Settings and allow notification permissions. Here you can change or turn on/off the auto-translate language. Once done, tap OK. You can now select your favorite artist or simply tap Skip if you don't want to.
That's it.
Your weverse account is now ready to use.
And that's it.
Super easy, right? Now you have a weverse account ready to explore. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like. And for more helpful tips, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.